Welcome. This is the Phoenix Business Consulting overview demo on the Sales Commissions add-on for SAP Business ByDesign. The Sales Commission add-on allows us to define commission plans, recipients, and agreements, and track commissions due, and then create supplier invoices to pay out those commissions in a single unified platform. Let's see how it works. I'm logged in as Iris Green, and we're going to start by reviewing the configuration. Very simple. You're going to define the product that you're going to pay. So this is my commissions product that we're going to define, and we're just using this to track commissions payable and automate the creation of the supplier invoice later. So very simple to configure. Then we're going to define the recipients. It can be any supplier or employee. Then we're also going to be able to attach comments and information on them as well, so we can track the genealogy of the commission recipients and their associated data. Once we've defined the recipients, we're going to define the plans, and we can set up quota-based or transaction-based. A quota-based plan, for example, is where we're just going to have, for the first 100 each, it's at 5%, and over 100, it's maybe 10%. So we can define this as a product category or a product ID. We can also apply files and notes as well. Let's go take a look at a transaction-based one. So we've set this as the commission plan for 2022. For this product category, we're going to offer 7.5. For this product, we're actually going to offer a 2.5 commission plus a fixed amount. So we can do this as either or both. And then we can have files. We can actually have some attachments here as well to support maybe your plan and your data. Maybe quite often it's put together in a spreadsheet. And then we can also note the history of this commission plan and any changes made to it. Once that's defined, the logical next step is to take commission recipients and commission plans and create a commission agreement. So we'll see, for example, Kate Jacobs' agreement is that she is associated with this plan for this year, and we can maybe have a signed copy of the document, and we could also even have some notes about that as well. So we're going to be able to track that. So if we change our commission agreement, we'll have the auditability about that. And just a nice place to come back and keep reference to what happened. Once that's enabled, we really just need to start booking orders. So I've already gone and processed a couple of orders, and we'll take a look at a basic scenario. And we have this one. We have this sales order, and we've added a tab here for commissions. And you'll notice that we have Kate Jacob, and she's 100% commissionable on this sale. And it's done at the header level. So when we define the commission recipient, it's at the header level, and then the commission agreement will determine which lines, if any, and what percentage, if any, will be paid on the actual detail of the order. So that's an example of a single person. We're going to go take a look at this one, which we've created, where we have multiple recipients in a split commission model, where this is a larger order. And we're going to go take a look at the commissions, and we'll see that Kate Jacob and Bob Menson have split commissions. And we'll see how that plays out. And to be clear, each one, so they can each have their own commission plan. So it's really the split here is not taking their plan into consideration. We're just splitting at the order level, and then the system will calculate what they're due based on their individual plan. All right, so there's some sales orders. Let's go out. I've actually packed and shipped them already, and I have some, oops, it's not invoiced yet. We need to invoice requests. We'll have 3 invoice requests, and it's just standard ByDesign invoicing. Let's release one. Well, we'll just release them all. Show up here as my invoice documents, and now we'll go and take a look at the commissions. So we're just looking at the commissions, and we have some commissions here. We'll notice that we have, let's take a look, for example, this $42. This is originally, we can see all the documents, so we can drill into the sales order if we want, the invoice. We also have a cross-reference for the plan ID, but if we take a look at the invoiced amount, $2,559.99. There was the quantity of 2, and the split amount was 50%, so that was the 50%. So we're going to look, the commission is 2.5% of that. And then we're going to take, this one actually had eaches, so if you remember the plan ID, so this one is actually looking at there's actually $10 per each, so we're going to add $20. And then we're going to divide by 50%, because she's only getting 50% of the commission, and then that would equal $42. So it's very simple, full auditability, the ability to drill into any of the base documents that you need to drill into. So once we've done that, we're going to now run our commission payment. And it's a real simple process. Let's go pick up the ones that are not paid for Katie yet. And you could run this monthly or quarterly, whatever your frequency is. So we'll pick up the invoices for month to date. I'll search for all the commissions that haven't been paid. Very simple here. Now to generate the payment, I just click on Generate Payment. That creates the payable. I'm going to go to Supplier Invoicing, All Documents. And you'll see there's the document that I've just entered, ready for posting. We could have a run come up, and you'll notice it's the commissions payable amount that we produced. And there's the 425.51. And that is sales commissions for SAP Business by Design from Phoenix Business Consulting. Thank you for your time.